friends, good evening. Hope all of you are doing fine. We are also doing fine. We are back with our one more video on the electric kettle. Of recently, I think a lot of us are having tough times and not feeling well with lot of viral COVID and all these infections. One of the most neediest product which we thought last 6 weeks back, which we procured, was a kettle, electric kettle. We were slightly confused, how does this work, and is it worth investing, and is this the right product, which is the right brand? To answer all our questions, we finally concluded by procuring Pigeon electric kettle. So this is a known brand, easily available on Amazon. And again, just to let you people know, it's a non-sponsored review. We are doing for the product what we have used, not for any brand specific. So let me quickly tell you more about this. So this has a 3-piece set. So basically it has a platform beneath and there's a handle made of fiber. This just sits over here and there's a tap. This is the third piece which can be removed and refitted. It clocks in like this and it works so easy and handy that you don't have to be bothered. And the operation of this product is very easy. I'll just quickly show you how does this work. So you have to just open the tap. It has 1.5 liters as the overall capacity and it takes close to 1.5 to 2 minutes to make a full boil hot water. I'll just show a running demo to you how it works. I've just filled with half liter of water quickly so you will understand how to use it. I've just added the water in the kettle. Now I'll just close it off and I have to just plug in and just push this button on. So it starts functioning. The good part is this will not consume any excess current and it doesn't work continuously. It automatically cuts off and saves your power, and for close to 30 minutes the temperature remains constant. So you will hear a slight noise from the kettle. It is the heating temperature which it comes. Once the temperature is achieved, the machine automatically cuts off. I've also brought a glass which is made up of glass. So it is better to use a glass container so you don't end up spoiling your plastic containers, because the temperature at which it comes, I am sure it is more than 200 degrees Celsius. That's why the temperature it comes is super hot. So your plastic containers will not be in a situation to control that heat. So it's precisely good to have a glass container or a glass bottle which will help you keep the temperature warm. Or the ideal thing is to use a flask. So we have multiple flasks kept here. Just to let you know, when the water is heated, you can use this kind of flask and keep the water hot for 8 to 10 hours once heated. The most easiest part is you don't have to put much of pressure to clean this. This is kind of a heating equipment. It gets cleaned. You have to just wipe out using a wet wipe or a dry tissue or in the surrounding, and you can just wipe inside the container also. So the kettle is all good to go. It gets a 1-year warranty if I am not wrong with the product, but the product lasts for a year. The other good part is, since this whole handle is made out of fiber, right? There is no temperature or heat you feel even in this area, in this area, and this areas. However, the metal area will get heated up, so you have to be very cautious. You can also see some slight flames coming out of it. We will open the tap. We will open the cap once the water is fully boiled. Once the boiling temperature is achieved, you will see the noise level slowly drops off. Once the water is fully heated, right, it cuts off. So we will hold on for few minutes, probably close to a minute or few. So it cuts off the temperature. See, exactly it cut it off. I think it's close to 2 minutes. Now I'll just show you how hot it is. Right? You can see some flames here which are coming out. I'll just quickly add it in the glass so you can see the hot water. The advantage is it is good, it is clear and safe to use. If you want to cool this faster, all that you have to do is just open this tap like this and the flame is out and it gets cooled fast. However, if you relock this by just clicking it up, you can use it. Again, if you want to reheat this after half an hour or something, you can just plug it on. In case, since your water has already achieved the boiling temperature, within few seconds it will again auto cut off and it will switch it off. So there is no power which is consumed. You can see how it works. This is a detailed review of the product function, friends. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share to as many as people possible so they get beneficial from this product and keep drinking hot water. It's good in the weather. Thank you.